Day one, demolition. We got the tractors over here. We tried to knock this tree down, but a branch fell on us instead. And then you see here, this is the old, this wall is probably 150 years old. It's actually made out of leftover flooring they had when they did the addition in 1901. So not 150, 120 years old. So, but we're going to be doing a two-story here. You see, that's some old beams. So that's how the electric used to run on this house. They ran with bare wires, cloth. This house has had every single kind of wiring known to man, and I replaced all of it with all modern electronic. But you see, it's in pieces. That's the roof. We had redid the roof on it, but that's step one. Tomorrow we'll have this all cleaned up, and then we gotta mark out our foundation. And this is where our my mama's gonna be, and the studio. Hope you guys dig. You got to make a mess before you can clean it. Isn't that the way it goes? So yeah. And we're taking that girl down tomorrow too. Get a grappling hook on her. But we're gonna be able to see. I knocked down some branches, cut through here, and clean it up a little later. It's looking good though. Looking good.